make fun of me. I know it's slow. The truck's coming to pick up that trailer right now. This dude, he's parked straight up underneath it. I think you should stay parked there. So what's happening here is we're putting this new carbon fiber hood on this R33 Skyline, and we're at a parking lot at a car meet, so it's cool. It's cool. It's gonna be good. You sure you know what you're doing over here?
Yeah, I work on cars, man.
This guy works on cars?
I have a drift car.
You handle those two bolts over there?
That requires maintenance every day.
You work on cars?
Yes.
How the fuck weren't you into your car earlier today working on it?
Because I am broken at the moment.
3 fucking later.
This is actually happening in a parking lot at a meet. I say you just drive around like this for a while, because that's what all the cool kids do. Out with the old and with the new. Yeah, this is totally cool. This is gonna look good. Drawing a crowd.
Watch this motherfucker not line up.
Yeah, if it doesn't fit. If it doesn't fit, just put it back in the truck and just drive away.
No, because it would fit mine. It fit my GTR and it doesn't. Oh, God, true.
Moment of truth, will it fit?
Boatload of Skylines. They were G's.
Light guy, we need some light over here.
I didn't know I was a dedicated
This is you're the dedicated light guy. Put some light on the situation.
I mean, come on, with that hair, he's been the reins.
Yeah.
Sure.
How many JDMers does it take to put on a hood? 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly 4.
Sad day.
Like different heads.
Oh yeah, it is.
Wait, we got a hammer?
You don't really want to bend. You don't want to bend it. It's not going to close it.
It's a 33. Fuck it. This guy. I said it out loud, my bad. I thought it was a GTR or something like, you know, hey, don't hammer on my fucking GTR.
Fuck it, pinch it. Set it down. Just the hatch.
It fits. Just
What a fucking disappointment.
look at this beautiful carbon fiber that you're not going to get now because it doesn't fit. It didn't fit yours. Doesn't fit this one. I think. All right, you know what? Put it on mine. It's got to fit mine then, right? Because I didn't want a carbon fiber hood.
This guy.
It's a bit of a disappointment it didn't fit. I was looking forward to it because it looks good. Does not fit though. Oh, it's raining too. Unfortunately now it started raining and he doesn't have a hood. So we gotta fix that.
So it needs to come back, right?
R33, right? Next to the old girl. I think I hear something, guys. I think I hear something. What do we got out here? What do we got today? Hey! Oh man! Look who it is! What is this? You can't leave a park like this. Yeah. Do I want him to air out? Yeah, I want you to air out. Look at this wheel gap. You can't leave it like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet. Looks nice. What the hell happened to your hood though?
The freaking wrapping paper.
You glue it?
No, I taped it, but I don't know how. I think water got under it maybe with the paper. I don't know. But it should come off.
Actually, it's kind of a cool design. I think you should kind of just leave it.
And then my bumper got all messed up. My corner light that I just put in. I put these corner lights in, the tinted ones.
Hey, but this looks really good with the bags though. Like you're hella slammed. Even without the front bumper, it still looks good.
Yeah, it's almost on the ground with the bumper.
It definitely is.
Almost like touching the floor. I mean, it's like this though.
You got pretty good fitment here in the back. Does it push up on it?
I need to get, I don't don't know what it is, but this side is more
Can't do
cambered than
nothing.
this side.
That's literally touching it. You're rubbing on it. It's all in the trunk? Oh yeah, that's nice. Wow, yeah, clean setup. Just get some like carpet or something in there,
Yeah,
and it'll look pretty good.
Wood. I'm probably gonna make a template out of cardboard.
Yeah.
And then make the template and then cut out some like probably just like simple like black wood or something like that. Gotta put the taillights in.
Oh yeah, looks good. Yeah, it definitely looks sick on bags. Everybody remembers Quentin from you know, previous video, part 1. This is part 2 because we wanted an update on this.
I don't have much. I mean, only the bags.
Well, it's a pretty big update. Bags are nice.
Yeah, bags. And then I went to a smaller tire too, so I could for the fitment.
Yeah.
I would think I was at like a 225, 40, or a 45, 225, 45 all the way around, and now I'm on a 205, 40.
205, and these are 10.5 or 11, 12s?
No, those are 10s.
10s?
Yeah.
205 on a 10?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, fit's good.
Yeah. Then eventually, I think tomorrow, which my friend is buying because he has a GTR, he's buying these coilovers off me. These.
Oh, your old ones?
I mean, it leaked anyway, so.
Yeah.
It leaked bad.
Hey, but yeah, so it's basically one's up, one's down.
Yeah.
That's nice. So yeah, the switch is where the ashtray used to be there. Got the air pressure gauge. Good setup. Did you see your exhaust?
What do you mean? Oh,
It's
ground,
it's
right?
literally on the ground. I don't think you could even drive with it like that. It is straight up on the ground.
yeah. It's low.
That low life, bro. Yeah, it looks really. This is your angle right here. You just need, yeah. Actually, the color doesn't look too bad, even though it's just primer.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like it's almost like wrapped, like plasti dipped.
Yeah, I want to eventually get it painted though. Once I can figure out about the wheels. If I can get those wheels polished chrome, then I'm gonna get the car like probably a crazy ass color.
Yeah.
So, to get them chrome, I'm just gonna have to get them powder coated, and I'll just get them powder coated like gloss black and matte black,
Yeah.
and then I'll get the car like a gunmetal gray or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll look good. You could just have it like wrapped. Wow. Well, thanks for coming by. We'll definitely get a cruise going or something. Don't forget to follow my boy on Instagram. He needs to hit. What you say? You had 400 something followers?
Yeah.
Got to get this boy to 500 followers for the wide bodiness. I know we can do it. All right, man.
All right, see ya.
All right, we'll catch you later. Drive safe. Oh, I missed the air up. Damn it.
I'll air it back down.
It's all right. Just Stan's Nation. Stan's boy over here. Monster trucking it. Monster truck status. Now I can fit my fist almost in there. You should be able to get to almost like anywhere with that stance.
Yeah.
And we never cleaned off the shit off the hood. Oh well. the one thing he said he wanted to do while he was here. Progress, people. He's making progress for sure. Looks good. A little bit, some tweaking to do, but it looks good. The only thing wrong with bags is that when you're aired up and driving around, it does look pretty funny. That's the one thing I will say. You know, I'm a static guy, but that's the only bad thing about bags is that you do kind of just look funny when you're driving around with they're all aired up. So, yeah, but you know, they obviously have their pros where, you know, you can just blow that thing up and get over all these crazy speed bumps we got here in Florida. What a crazy guy. What a crazy guy. Making a ruckus out of my neighborhood. That's always great. Make a ruckus. My neighbors love me. Yeah, as he's peeling out down the road. So guys, that is gonna do it for this video. As soon as I started making this intro, my neighbor decides to, well, do some yard work. So we are going to restart this with the garage closed. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. Throw this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my buddy's sweet bagged R32 Skyline. You don't see too many bagged R32 Skylines, so he's definitely got a cool build going on there. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys are new for more content. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for not only my previous videos, also for my merch link. Follow me on Instagram, SkylineDude951. Thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on the next video. Peace.